Good morning, everyone. Today, in this session, we will discuss order by clause in select statement of structured query language. See this table, student, carefully. After that, we will use order by clause on this table. In this table, admission number, name, class, section, and fees is given. As we have discussed, the default sorting order is ascending. Numerical values are displayed with the lowest value first, and date values are displayed with the earliest value first. Similarly, character values are displayed in alphabetical order. For example, A is first and Z is last. But if there are null values, then null values are displayed last for ascending sequence, and null values are displayed first for the descending sequence. Order by. Order of the rows returned in the query result is undefined. Order by clause can be used to arrange the rows in a table. But one point which is very important, that is, if you are using order by clause, it must be the last clause of the SQL statement. Means after order by, any other clause you cannot add. You can specify an expression or an alias name or the column position as the sort condition. Syntax for the order by clauses: select expression from table. Here expression can be star or it can be column 1, column 2, etc. Where condition, that is optional, then order by single column or more than one column can also be specified. Again, this is optional. Then ascending or descending, ASC or DESC, any one of these should be specified, and again both are optional. In the syntax, order by specifies the order in which retrieved rows are displayed. Then ASC for ascending order, which is the default order, and if we are not writing ASC or DESC descending, then by default ascending order will be there for the output. Sorting by single column in ascending order. For example, the query select star from student, order by fees, ascending. It will give you the output as all the records of the student table, but arranged in ascending order of the fee value in the fee column. You can see from the output that first record is having fee 2000, second is next one, that is 2500, then 2500, then record is having the fee 3000 and then 3000 again, and at the last 4500 value is there in the fee column. So all the records are arranged by the value in column fee. To sort the records on the column fee in descending order, the query will be select star from student, order by fees, DESC. Here the DESC keyword is used for descending order. Sorting by column alias. First of all, what is alias? We have discussed earlier also that alias is just like the nickname or the another name of the column which we can define. In this table, in this query, we have defined alias name tuition fees for the column fee. So query, you can see select ADNO, comma name, comma class, comma section, comma fee, comma fee space tuition fees from student order by tuition fees. In this order by clause, we have used alias name tuition fees for the column fee, and it is giving the similar output if we have used fee in the order by clause. So output is arranged as per fee in ascending order. Sorting by multiple columns. You can sort the query results by more than one column also if required. Sort limit is the number of columns in the given table. Suppose there are 5 columns in a table, you can write 4 columns in the order by clause. Uh, Generally, all the columns are not used in order by clause, but there is the limit that you can sort up to a number of columns in a given table. In the order by clause, specify the column and separate the column name using commas. If you want to reverse the order of a column, specify DESC after its name. You can also order by columns which are not included in the select clause. For example, you want to display only name, class, and fee, but you want to sort the records as per the sections also, which are not being displayed. Then you can write the query select name, comma class, comma fees, order by class, comma section DESC. Similarly, one more query. If you want to display all the records from the student but you want to sort as per the fee in ascending order, and if the fee is same, then according to the class in descending order, and if the class is also same, then as per the section record you want to display, then the query will be select star from student order by fees ascending, comma class DESC, comma section ASC. Restricting rows by using the where clause. Till now we have discussed how to arrange all the records fetched by select query in ascending or descending order. We can order the records, or we can use order by clause along with the where clause to restrict the rows, means to fetch the rows based on the condition, and then we can sort the records fetched in ascending or descending order. Syntax for that is select star distinct, that is optional, column or expression or alias name we can give from table where condition or conditions can be specified, order by column 1, comma column 2, and so on. If there is single column, only column 1 is required. If more than one columns uh, for ordering the records, then number of columns can be given. Ascending or descending, again optional as per the requirement. It simply means that you can use where condition along with order by clause. Let us recall what we have discussed today. First, we had discussed how to select data and change the order of the rows displayed. We can sort the rows by using order by clause on single column or multiple columns. Apart from that, we have discussed how to restrict rows by using the where clause in the order by clause, means we can use where clause along with the order by clause if we have to restrict the rows, and also to arrange the data in particular order either in ascending or descending. So that's all with this topic.